Welcome to the video everyone, and today we'll be changing our Flutter app default logo. So so many videos have passed and see we have using the same application logo like not the Flutter default logo. So in this video we will be changing our app logo. So let me show you what I'm trying to say. If I move it down a bit, you can see that this is a Flutter logo, like this is a Flutter itself logo. So we want to change something our custom one, and this is a very quick way. Just we need to add a library, and by add library, this is a very first library that we'll be adding to make some changes. Okay, so right now I have opened the Android Studio with my AVD running on it, and absolutely true that my system is like on the hang of getting die from the heat and everything. So let's be faster. So first of all, I will show you a place called this one. So this is my still again same thing, same place, Figma design of Flutter application, my quiz app. And here you can see I have a logo for the design. Yes, this one. Okay, this logo, and we will be using a library that Flutter provides. This is called Flutter change icon pub.dev. So pub.dev is like a repository, like a very big repository of all the libraries that Flutter provides us. You can go in there. You just search by you can search by the pub.dev, type pub.dev, and you will get all the libraries that Flutter provides to you for make work easier. So for this, since we want to change our Flutter icon, we will be using Flutter launcher icons, and we can just writing some few lines. We can generate icons like icons for every platform, like our first target is Android, Windows, and web and Linux, but I haven't found it how, but still it works very fast and quite easy. So what we need to do, just install this library. Step 2, run the command. Okay, and then it's done, very easy. So first of all, we need to get our application app, like our app icon. So what to do, just come back here, click on this application, and as you can see, this is a group I created. You can click on this directly. Okay, after clicking it, go down, and if you see now that you are getting an export, let me remove it. I did it before. I will click on the export. Just get plus. I want 4 of size. Let's be in good 4x size, because right now we have 35 by 35. We want 4x. It will be around more than 100. That's good for us. I will be click on export logo. This will give us a logo. Okay, I have already added too much time, that's why it's showing me this version. I open a download folder. Okay, it's good. Now it's bug time. Sometime it happens. So as you can see, I have lots of logos here. This is the ICO file that Windows uses. I will not using this one, and this one is the app logo. So let's rename it. So I will rename this. Rename this to app icon.png and copy this picture. Go in Android Studio. Okay, in here we have a assets folder. Create one icon folder. Right click on the assets folder, click on new, then our directory, we will call it icons. Click on there, and we have icon folder. Control+V. It will ask you that you want, and I want, yeah, by mistakenly I have put the ion. I want icon, and I place okay. It's my icon. Do you want to add the folder to Git? Hey, yes, why not add it? It will be good for us. Okay, so now it's done. Add it, and this one too. Go on. We need our terminal, so I open the terminal for it. Terminal will be ready, just few seconds, and we will add a library. So if you go in pub.dev, you can see there is a command you're going to add. Just click on the install section, installing. Since I am doing this right now today, so I have no issue with this. You can copy the command Flutter version, because we are using with Flutter. I copy this command, and sorry for that. Come and paste this command in here. I click on enter, and it will run. First step is done. Then I will run the command dart run Flutter change icons, and since we want to generate first, we need to generate it first. Okay, could not find Flutter change icons. Of Flutter change icon generate dot run. Okay, what happening right now? Am I doing something wrong? Flutter pub add I done. Readme, go in the readme section. Nice. So dart run Flutter launcher. Sorry, launcher. It's a launcher. My bad. Flutter launcher icons and generate section. Okay, so he generated for us all the things. Okay, nice. And but just now he hadn't done the task that we wanted, but it just makes our work easier. You come in here, that you see that we have a new thing. This is YML for especially for the icons. If I click double click on it, you need to check that all things are matching or not. See, I have a file name assets. Yes, it matches assets, and icon, but mine is app icon. I will changing in here app icon. 21 iOS true, Windows true. We don't have for the web, we are removing for the web, we don't need for the web. Mac OS, we are not making for the Mac OS, remove this for this, and it's all done. And same goes for here. I will copy all the things from here where this section, copy the main path, paste there wherever there's needed. So this wanting, I will paste it down there. One done, it's done, it's done. Since we're also not creating iOS, but still, let's save this file. Now run dart run. Or I can just repeat the previous command, remove the generate option and run. It will execute a C, creating default icon, Android icon, and we got some error. Let's see what's the error it is. Answer applicant and no workbook for directory for whom. Okay, iOS, because we don't have iOS now. Yes. So we got assets. Now since I have used previously the AVD and install application, I will remove it. So wrong click, app info. I hope it's not get laggy. Uninstall the application first because we need to reinstall the application whole. Nice, and done. Very nice. I will be running this application, change the application to Android version, medium Android version, and run this one. Okay, now you can see our app is running and it's stuck on this. Sorry, the system is loading for the file. So you can see our app is successfully app icon changed, and now you can use this method for every time you create your application. Okay? Since this is our default scene, let me just suitable for visiting. Okay, nice. See, so this is our UI that we have made, and it's not too bad. If I back now and see, we have application that has this image, but since this have white background, can we do this white background? See, we have something called foreground, background, and monochrome. We can set something like this, but still that makes our work easier and easy. So I hope you guys do the step and make your unique app icon. You can use mine if you want. I have no issue with this. You can take this icon and remind me later. You can take this icon, adjust it, you can copy this and make some adjustment and to your liking. See you in the next video guys. See you tomorrow for more interesting video. And I want you to change your app application icon. I think by changing this you will give your own look. Okay, see you.